Hello there, we are Maria Jose and Chase.
3 years ago, we bought a school bus.
And turned it into our second home, but our first tiny home on wheels.
Many of you know us from our recent adventures in our van.
But a few of you remember the bus that started all.
The bus propelled us into a totally new way of thinking about home, travel, and adventure.
And it taught us how to work with our hands and learn things that we wouldn't have attempted before.
And you know, there's something about creating things with your hands, turning a dream into a reality that makes it special.
And even more so when that thing can take you anywhere you want.
We learned along the way that the places that we've always wanted to see, well, they'll be around for a really long time.
We learned to cherish our time with amazing people we met along the way.
And as our travel plans changed, our plan with the bus did as well.
And we found a loving soul to pass our bus on to.
It's been almost a year since we've seen Tio, and we're so thrilled, among many other emotions, to visit this beautiful bus this week. Hey friends, before we head and see Tio, I just wanted to tell you a little bit about this week's sponsor. It's been a really rough year for all of us, and I've been dealing with a lot of my own personal things with pretty severe anxiety and insomnia that you wouldn't believe. And we're so excited that this week's video sponsor is Cerebral. They're a company that allows us to be anywhere and have affordable access to therapists and counselors to help me personally deal with some of the pressures and stressors that we experience and that I'm experiencing from our life on the road.
Something that I love the most about Cerebral is how convenient it is. You can schedule an online consultation with your provider, therapist, or counselor. This is actually incredible for us because we're on the road all the time. We don't have a home base, so we can just do it from our computer, and as fast as 20 minutes, we will be getting a call. It's almost like you have your therapist on your pocket.
Cerebral offers what they call a comprehensive care model. What does that mean? It means that your counselor and your doctor are communicating with each other so they can offer you the best care and treatment plan possible.
Another great thing about Cerebral is how affordable it is, with or without insurance. Instead of spending $500 to go and see a therapist plus $100 each visit, you get with Cerebral flat monthly fee at a more affordable price.
Cerebral offers 3 plans: medication plus care counseling, medication plus therapy, and therapy. Choosing a plan for myself was super easy. I know it stresses me out. I have terrible anxiety and I have terrible insomnia. So I went to getcerebral.com and I filled out the questionnaire. When you do this as honestly as you possibly can because it's only going to help. So you fill out the online form, you answer a few questions from Cerebral, and that helps them understand your symptoms. From there, you can choose to subscribe to one of 3 different membership options based on your needs and your budget. Membership options may include a combination of care counseling and therapy and prescription medicine. They also include an initial video or phone visit with your provider, and if you get prescribed medications, they deliver monthly with free shipping, and monthly virtual calls with unlimited online messaging with a care counselor or a licensed therapist.
If you would like to take care of your mental health, head to the link that is going to be in the description down below and take the questionnaire so you can be connected with a therapist right away. Your first month starts at only $45.
Cerebral, thanks again for working with us and for just providing awesome care to everyone who needs it. And the more that we talk about the things that are stressors for the two of us, and we talk about mental health, it only makes us better.
Yeah.
So we really appreciate you all, and thank you so much.
Yeah. Let's head to the bus.
Come on.
Come on, let's go. We left Lake Travis a couple of days ago, and we spent a great time here in Austin, but decided to drive around 30 minutes to Cedar Creek. And you might be wondering, what are we doing in Cedar Creek?
We couldn't be in this area without swinging by a dear old friend of ours.
If you have been following along with us, you know that in 2018, we had a school bus.
So the van wasn't the very first part of our adventure. The bus truly was. And, well, we decided to come and see it.
We decided to sell the bus to someone that loved it as much as us. And you know, we stay in like Lake Travis in the Airbnb, and the person who bought the bus, which is Kathy, has it as an Airbnb here in Texas as well.
Which is super cool for us and for everyone else, because if you want to experience skoolie dwelling, small dwelling, bus life before making a major leap yourself, you can really give it all a test run by visiting our old bus and now Kathy's bus for however long you'd like. For 2 nights, for 10 nights, whatever. You can just book it straight on Airbnb.
We have get so many messages from different friends of ours, followers, that have stayed in the bus, and like, oh, every single time I get a message, I will cry, because it's so special for me to know that in some way we are helping people realize what they want to do.
Yep.
Or they get to experience something that they watch on YouTube, and it's super special. So we're super thankful for Kathy for letting us come and check out the bus. So are you ready to see the inside of our old home?
Let's go.
Let's go and check it out. I feel so weird coming inside Tio. I have like mixed feelings for sure. Smells good. How do you feel?
It's like being back at home.
Well, you guys, welcome to Tio. Like, I truthfully feel like I could cry right now. It feels like we're back at home, but there's like tiny little different things, but still feels like home. And it's insane to think that someone else like have come and stay here. You know, like I still feel like I just like park it somewhere and I'm coming back. I love the upgrades though. So let me show you all the upgrades that Kathy have done to the bus. Okay, so let's start here in the back, because the bus is in Texas and it gets, you know, hotter in the summertime. Kathy installed a mini split, which actually works as a heater as well. So if you come to stay in Tio at winter time, you can have some heat here in the back, which is nice, but you also have the wood stove in the front. So, you know, it's like glamping for sure. Like before we were there, like at the beginning, just like every 4 hours putting wood in the fire to keep us warm, and now you have a freaking air conditioner. But it feels like we're back at home. This is so weird. She still have the TV, so if you come, you can play video games like Chase used to do here. The space we used to have when we thought that we were gonna put a washing machine and a dryer, but we figured out 100 gallons of water on the road wasn't enough for that closet area. And then the most precious thing about the whole bus, something that I probably missed in the van, and that's our bathroom. Look at how massive this bathroom is, and we had so many friends. They used our bathroom when we were on the road because they didn't have a shower in their van or the bus, and we let them just come and use the bathroom. So let's see the changes she did here. This is like pretty much still the same. The only difference is she changed the toilet, which was like a black water tank toilet, like an RV toilet, for just a standard toilet. So you don't have to worry about changing anything. Everything is like so crazy. I feel so crazy being in here.
It's so surreal to be in this bus. The bed is still just as comfortable as it always has been. This is really the best bed in the world.
Yes.
I think so.
Yes.
I think I think if you stay here in the bus, you would agree. This is, there were many good nights sleep on this bus.
For sure.
And on this mattress.
We have like missed this bed the whole time. I think this is one of the things that we're more sad about selling in the bus, because we were like, oh, that bed is just so comfortable.
It's the bed that dreams of good beds are made of.
Yeah, this bed is pretty comfy.
It's very cozy in here for it to be almost 80 outside.
It's very nice. It's
and
not,
the air conditioning isn't even on.
You know why, no?
Why?
Henry's tropical. You did a great job.
Whatever. It would have been really nice to have this when we had the bus. Feel that. And that's just the fan kicking on.
That's nice.
It's quiet. Jake would have never left this place. Ever. We couldn't have forced him out. I just spotted a magic 8-ball. I wonder how many terrible decisions have been made because of this. Alright, so let's see one. There's not anything in here yet. Do we buy another bus?
Are you cheating?
You may rely on it.
What does that even mean?
Outlook not so good.
We definitely have thought about getting another bus. And being here, like, that solidifies the whole feeling of bus life again.
Friends, it's just so much space, truthfully, everywhere. We've still got a guitar here. I wanted to bring a guitar on the road in the van, but
where did you put it?
it's not feasible. You were trying to convince people the other day that we had more room in the van kitchen than here in the bus. That's not true. This is a great kitchen.
No, wait. The only thing I said is, like, if you were walking, you could walk and not touch me. But in the van, I had a little bit more prepping space. And I have the pantry, which I wish I had in the bus. No, well, yeah, I'm lying. We have quite a bit of space in the bus. Do you want to show everybody, like, the difference between this fridge and our fridge? First of all,
the size of our fridge.
right there.
And then in here, we've got all this extra space.
Tell me, how bad do you want to take this baby out?
I don't, because I backed it up in here. I know what a pain in the butt that was. Oh man, no, it would be so much fun. It'd be a blast. If you guys have been around for a while, it goes without saying that this bus meant a whole ton to us. And we think that it's super cool that we have the opportunity to always come back because of our dear friend Kathy. She's offered for us to stay here several times now, and one day we promise that we will when the times align. But it would mean a whole lot to me, and I know it would mean the same to Marie, to get messages from you all after an experience in Tio here. We've left all of the information down in the description below for ways that you can see and book Tio, as well as the treehouse and the Fredericksburg cottage, which we unfortunately didn't have the time to get to this trip. But yeah, we look forward to some of your guys' messages from inside this big behemoth. But Marie took a cute picture, and we're gonna leave a little surprise in here.
You have no idea how this bus changed both of our lives. It's nice to be back. Let's get on the road. Bye, bus. We love you. In the area where Tio is at, it's so pretty. It's actually a tiny home community, so you can see like different ways that people live, but you're like secluded in the trees. Super pretty. There's trails around. Also, Kathy give you all the info and the scoop of what you can do while you're visiting Tio. I cannot wait to be back. It feels great to be back in the bus, and it just, my heart is so full right now. I'm so thankful that we were able to come and visit it. I'm even more thankful that a lot of you get to experience Tio and be part of our journey and the bus journey. So thank you, friends. As Chase mentioned before, all the info will be down below. I cannot wait to receive all your pictures and videos and letting us know how your stay at our old school bus was.